We are at Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. Today we are showing the double bed tropical view room, a very nice and simple layout but very functional. We used regular keys, but you have the option to purchase the bracelet. I believe it costs $15. As you enter, you will find a mirror and closets on the right, and on the left the bathroom. In the closet there is a safe, and also the hotel is providing iron and hair dryer for your convenience. The bathroom comes with 2 sinks and a separate toilet room. In the shower, you will find a rain shower and a hand one, which I find it very useful. To be honest, the doors to the bathroom doesn't offer too much privacy if that is what you are looking for. This door opens and you can see in the shower area. Interesting idea, but not for everyone, I am sure. The room has 2 double beds, 1 big TV, a bench, 1 couch, and 1 closet where you will find the fridge. Inside the fridge there is water, soda and beer. Champagne is not included. The fridge is refilled daily. In the room there is also an espresso coffee maker. If you need more coffee pods, you can ask the housekeepers and they will gladly provide you with as many as you need. This is the cheapest option room at this resort. We found it perfect for what we needed. We were in the room to sleep and nothing more, so we were very happy with this type of accommodation. The view from the balcony is not spectacular for this type of room. During our stay, there were constructions happening right next to the resort. The noise was not too bad though.